Hello, today we're going to make some delicious mango banana smoothies using CBD with Botanicam. Short disclaimer, these measurements are for about 1.25 liters, which is what I have here. So here we see all of our ingredients. Bananas, mango, hemp seeds, pumpkin seeds, agave, almond milk, and our crystal CBD. The first part of the job, which is getting these mangoes cut up into pieces. Take our 2 frozen bananas, approximately 2 of a tablespoon of the pumpkin seeds, hemp seeds, the agave, just a dash, CBD crystals. I don't get to see the packaging, really nice.
When calculating the amount of CBD to use, it's usually between 30 to 40 milligrams per serving. Our blender here holds 4 servings. We're going to use around 120 to 160 milligrams. My little spoon here holds 50 milligrams. So we're going to put in 1, 2, and 3 hefty spoonfuls, and that should give us well over 150 milligrams of CBD for the 4 servings.
Let's top it off with some oat milk. And we're going to mix this to get a delicious blend. This smoothie is CBDelicious. Thank you to Indoka for the CBD crystals, and from all of us here at Botanicam, have a great day.